Hey guys, this is Josh with Fractal Design, and today we're going to take a more in-depth look at the Define R4. The Define R3 has been the flagship case for Fractal Design for over 2 years, winning numerous awards and proving extremely successful. Now the Define R4 builds upon that and improves upon that in every way imaginable. From the ground up, it was designed to be highly configurable. And as you can see with the two systems I have here today, you can go a pure silent route. You can also go full-on bleeding edge gamer, multiple graphics cards, liquid cooling support, you name it. Basically, the Define R4 can be anything you want it to be. Now if we take a closer look at this system, you'll see some of the features that make the Define R4 highly configurable. Most obvious up front here is a new window panel, a first for Fractal Design. Allows you to show off all your great hardware. Now, if you're a silence purist, you can still get the standard side panel with ModuVent technology. Now, if we want to take a closer look at the window panel, one of the first things you'll notice is it's not simply a window bolted onto a piece of metal. It still has our sound absorbed material mounted around the window, making this window panel as quiet as possible. Moving to the interior of the case, you can see that it's spacious enough to accommodate our full-size 1,000 watt Newton R3 modular power supply while still leaving room to mount a 120 or 140 millimeter fan. There's an improved cable management system, and a look inside the top of the case shows the ModuVent panels blocking off the unused fan vents for optimum silence. The Define R4's configurability even extends to the side panels. They're easily interchangeable, so if you want the ultimate in silence, you can take the solid side panel off the back and simply mount it on the front. Now if we look at the interior of this enthusiast class system, we'll see some of the additional features that make the Define R4 so highly configurable. First off, it supports our Newton R3 1,000 watt modular power supply, and there's still plenty of room for a larger power supply if necessary. We've got dual graphics cards mounted, and as you can see, there's plenty of room between the end of the graphics card and the hard drive cage. Now, if you want more cooling performance, you can remove the ModuVent blocks and mount a 240 millimeter Slimline Radiator, whether it's a closed loop system or your own custom open loop system. Now, if that's not enough cooling power for you, you can also remove both hard drive cages and mount an additional 240 millimeter radiator in the front air intake assembly. Taking a look at the back side of the motherboard tray, we see that you can mount 2 SSDs. Also, the large CPU cutout allows access to the mounting hardware for CPU heat sinks as well as water blocks from pretty much any socket configuration. So as you can see, the Define R4 is highly configurable, allowing you to tailor it to your needs, whether that's a totally silent system or a high-end gaming system with a window so your gear can be seen but not heard. The Define R4 gives you the flexibility you need to make it yours.